And with that, the 2023 season comes to a close. Good night, everybody. Just kidding. We're going out to Mastro's Ocean Club Malibu. Of course, had to do my Dyson Airwrap Long VIB Rouge exclusive and my glam. So here is me using all my premium and best, most sought after products to do a really beautiful silver and gold New Year's Eve glam. Of course, using the best of the best, including Charlotte Tilbury, Makeup by Mario, Anastasia Beverly Hills, tons and tons of brands from Sephora and Ipsy, as well as really cool eye crystals from Dolls Kill. Now, I'm super excited for the upcoming year. I have so many surprises for you guys, from music to influencing to everything with my brand and personal life. So I have a lot to unpack for y'all in 2024. 2024 is going to be the best year ever. Honestly, I feel like I got to know myself so much better this year and know my worth, know everything that I am striving for, and really go for it. Really be yourself, be your best self, and do everything the way that you believe it should be done. How you do anything is how you do everything. So here is me doing a gorgeous glam for dinner. I'm super excited. We have a reservation to sit right next to the ocean and watch the fireworks at one of the most highly acclaimed restaurants in all of California. So I'm very, very, very excited. And here's my fiance helping me do my setting spray and bringing me some champagne. And then we're going to go and celebrate. Let's enjoy.